Alright, YouTube, got a good one for you today. Aluminum welding rods. I've seen a lot of stuff about these. I watched a couple videos, and these were one of the top rated ones, along with Weld and a couple other brands. They're brazing rods. I did not get the flux ones. I heard they're harder to get to adhere. Should use a map torch if you know what you're doing. I'm using propane. It takes a little bit longer, but you do end up getting the same result. Here's a clean one that I did and grind it down. We're gonna do this one real quick. Try to do this one-handed. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Nice. Alright. You're gonna get your spot nice and hot. It does take a while with the propane, but it's a little safer. You don't risk melting your aluminum surface you're working with. I've seen these rods work on aluminum compartments on the engine and run very well. They actually run colder. I think this thing has 33,000 pounds of or PSI, I should say, strength rating. I did actually use some quick steel on the sides here, but the bottom's going to take a little bit more pressure, and I do not want my boat leaking at all, so I'm going to do this. Oh, there goes my phone. Good thing it's industrial. Let's see what we can do here. Surface is a little bit cold still, so we want to go a little bit longer. What's that? Hold up, bro. Oh, shit. Bro, bust me out one of these rods, will you? This little motherfucker's too hot. Appreciate you. You know where that hurt. Honestly, that weld was a little bit colder than I would have liked, but I'm welding it from the underside after this, so I'm gonna stick with that. But that one did go a little cold. I'll probably do a second video of another hole that went a little bit better, so you can see how that goes. But I am gonna grind that down after it cools and see how it turned out. This weld went way better, and what I did a little differently, I rubbed it more, like I was kind of scratching it as it was heated. I did heat it just about as long as this one, but this one came out really dirty. That is a clean weld. It made very good contact with the surface, as you can see. I'm going to do another one from the top side so you can see that later. So this is the underside of the boat. These are some cleaner welds I ended up getting out of the sticks. Again, scrape them once the surface is hot enough. We did a few from the other side, and that is a good one that turned out right there. You can almost not even tell it's there. Here's a bad one. It did not adhere well. It might hold, it might not, but I'm going to redo it because this is the underside of the boat. I can't really do this two-handed, guys. I'm sorry I can't get a better video of this, but you saw pretty much how I did it in the beginning. It's just add a scratching motion and make sure the surface is hot enough. Alright, I hope that helped. These rods seem like they're going to work out great.